Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Divya This Side Career Guidance. Today we will going to talk about another medical college which is the most demanding one in Haryana, a private medical college named Adesh Medical College Kurukshetra. So we're going to talk about the programs, fee structure, specialization, hospital cutoff, the patient flow and other things so that it can help you out in getting the admission over there and get to know more about this particular college. So before proceeding to the video, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can with your friends and with your relatives so that they can also get the information about this particular college. So begin with the video. So here is a more detailed look at the Adesh Medical College and Hospital. The key facts about this particular college is the establishment year is 2018. The location of this college is Kurukshetra, Haryana. The institute type is private. Affiliated by Pandit Bhagat Dayal Sharma University of Health Sciences, Rohtak. The courses offered at Adesh Medical College, the undergraduate programs MBBS and postgraduate PG program, that is MD and MS. Specialization offered at Adesh Medical College, that is anesthesiology, dermatology, general medicine, pulmonary medicine, ophthalmology, community medicine, psychiatry, radiotherapy and pediatrics. The admissions are based particularly on NEET UG and NEET PG exam, recognized by National Medical Council of India. The intake of the program is 150 seats in MBBS, that is annually. Promoting society is Adesh Welfare Society. Adesh Medical College and Hospital has a trauma emergency department that is operational around the clock due to its highway proximity. If we talk about the hospital, Adesh Medical College and Hospital is a multi-speciality care hospital. Clinical rotations. The college provides clinical rotations at the Adesh Hospital and Research Center, a 750-bedded hospital with modern facilities. If we talk about the faculty part, the institute has decent qualified and experienced faculty members. If we talk about the housing facilities, the society has constructed housing facilities for teaching and non-teaching staff, nursing staff and student as prescribed by the NMC. तो यहाँ पे आपको hostel facilities मिलेंगी, the separate hostel for boys and girls and for the like non-teaching staff and the teaching staff as well as faculties की अगर हम बात करेंगे, you will get the decent qualified and experienced faculties at the campus. Let's talk about the specialty wing, that is cardiology department, nephrology department, urology department, neurosurgery department, plastic and reconstructive surgery department, gastroenterology department, trauma surgery and international radiology. Let's talk about the MBBS fee structure. For the management category, that is 12 lakh per annum with 7.5% annual increment, and for the NRI category, that is 1,10,000 US dollar for the entire course. For the MD/MS program, for the anesthesia, derma, ENT, general surgery, general medicine, OBG, the fee structure is 14 lakh 2,000 per annum. If we talk about the MBBS 2024 cutoff for the private medical college for this Adesh one, the round 1 cutoff was 508 for the management category. For round 2, that is 462. For round 3, that is 578, and for round 4, no seat was applicable. So these are the score for all the rounds for the management category. For admission related inquiry for MBBS MD/MS program, you can contact our experts for confirmed seat for all the rounds at the given below number so that experts will guide you according to your ranking and according to your score part, and whatever the budget you have decided, we are going to help you out in getting the seat for all the state counseling and for the application forms as well as. तो आप हमें contact करिए. Take the best guidance so that you don't get misguided and you get the best guidance throughout all the rounds और आपको एक confirmed seat मिले according to your budget. So you can contact at the given below number, and thank you so much for watching the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel so that you can get more videos on medical colleges in nearer future and you get all the information about all the colleges. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best for your career.